It's Brad's Laboratory.
I'm going to polish my headlight lenses on my Kia. So first step is we'll mask them, then we'll sand them, then we'll polish, and then we'll refine and polish. The one thing this kit doesn't come with is new UV coating. So I purchased this off of Amazon. It was fairly expensive actually, but I'll spray this on when I'm done, and this will prevent it from having the same problem in the future with any luck at all, because it's the UV from the sun that causes the headlights to become cloudy like that. We got a mandrel for the drill bit. We got several different types of polishing pads. Oh, they gave me masking tape, which is good because the kid got into my tape. And then more directions that we don't really need. Alrighty. Hi, Brad here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and watching this video. If you don't mind clicking the subscribe button down here, I'd really appreciate it. It helps me out with YouTube and it's free for you. Also be sure to leave comments and questions in the comment area. I'm always happy to answer those questions. Thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next video.